5 Oceans is the latest addition to the Damen yacht support family. At a length of 53 meter 25 and a beam of 9 meter 20, she has a maximum speed of 21 knots and a long range speed at 12 knots of 6,400 nautical miles. Let's have a look on board. The fully customized diving center is fitted with a decompression chamber as well as a NITROX mixing station. The aft deck is equipped with an 18-ton deck crane that is used for offloading tenders and many toys. The aft deck can fully support 2 10-meter tenders as well as a 12-ton submarine, and when the toys are deployed, there is a touch-and-go helipad for a helicopter up to 3.8 tons. Stabilized by twin zero-speed quantum fins fitted in the engine room. And here we're right in front of the hydraulic power unit.